Now children, we will do a quick recapitulation of the letter writing. What was the main part of the letter writing that I explained to you while explaining the letter writing part? That you will have to write the format neatly and clearly with proper punctuation marks. It is the most important part of the letter writing. You can score marks very easily if you are able to write the format correctly. Clear? Now today we will do a recapitulation of the letter writing once again. Here is one letter. We have done an informal letter writing. So today again we are going to do the informal letter writing revision. See, what is the topic? You recently read an article in the newspaper on "We are what we eat." So this is the article that you have read. You were impressed by the article and decided to write a letter to your friend who always gorges on junk food. So you read that article and you were highly influenced by the article, and so you decided to write a letter to your friend who always eats junk food. Highlight the benefits of eating healthy and harms of eating junk food in your letter. So you have already given 2 hint points. So you have to highlight the benefits of eating healthy food and the harms of eating junk food. Clear? So you have got enough opportunities to score marks in this letter if you divide the points and write points nicely. You should include at least 3 value points. Okay? And in each paragraph of value points, you can add even 1 or 2 more value points. Means together there should be 5 to 6 value points. Okay? Now when you have already been given the points, the opportunity to write what are the benefits of healthy and harms of eating junk food, then you can easily add 2 benefits of eating healthy food and 3 harms of eating junk food, or the reverse one, 3 benefits of eating healthy food and 2 harms of eating junk food. The basic point is that you will have to write at least 5 value points in your body of the letter. Clear? 5 to 6. Okay. Now let us come. See, we will start off with the format. So first we are supposed to write the address, center's address, 2/8 Suraj apartment, then comma, Gomti Nagar, comma, then Gurugram hyphen the pin code, full stop then. Okay. Then we write the date 22nd April, comma 2020, full stop. Now again children, 22nd, this ND should always come in the same line as of the date. Previously we used to write at the top, but no writing at the top, it should come in the same line. Clear? Then we write, then this is the salutation, Dear Vartika. Again comma, and then we start off with the informal letter. I told you we can start in many ways. So we have started off this letter with the greetings. How are you? I haven't seen you for 2 weeks already. I have heard from your mother that you were ill for quite some time. I hope by the time you will receive this letter, you will be in good health. So this is a general introduction to the letter. We always start with the introduction. So this is the introduction of letter, where we have greeted to the person whom we are writing, and then a general discussion type, general statements that what I have heard about my friend. Okay. Then we come to the body of the letter. We now gradually start answering to the question of the letter. I think this is a sign that you really have to stop eating junk food. So the cause is junk food. So now we have come to the point. They have no nutritional value. Eating them will not help you become healthy. Filling your diet with junk food causes an array of problems in your body. Junk food is often high in sugar, fat and calories, while providing very few nutrients. Several research studies have shown that fast foods and processed foods increase childhood obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic diseases. You know that junk food can hurt your health, but you may not have an idea about the effects of junk food on your brain functions. It can cause memory and learning problem. Okay, so here we have already given 2 value points about the harms of eating junk food. Okay, what are the 2? 1, it has got no nutritional value. Okay, it increases child obesity, heart disease, and chronic diseases. This is 1. 2, in addition to the health problem, it also have got problems on, it also affects brain functions. So 2 points we have already included over here. Now we come to the 3rd value point. Consumption of too much of junk food also leads to tooth decay. Eating junk food with a high sugar content, such as soda, candy, and baked goods, coats your mouth, gums, tongue, and teeth with sugar. This sugar coating attacks enamel and leads to tooth decay and cavities. So this is another problem of eating junk food. So I have given how many points of eating junk food? 3. 3 harmful effects of eating junk food. Clear? Now we will come to the benefits. So we have already answered the first question. See, highlight the second question we have answered first. Harms of eating junk food. So we have already answered this question. Now we are going to answer this question, the benefits of eating healthy food. Okay. Now let me come to the benefits of eating healthy. A healthy food habit provides the energy you need to keep active throughout the day, and it also provides you with the nutrients you need for growth and repair. So 2 value points already I have added here. 1 is it provides energy and it provides nutrients. Further, a rich diet in calcium keeps your teeth and bones strong and can help to slow bone loss associated with getting older. Calcium is usually associated with dairy products, but you can also get calcium by eating dark green vegetables, soya products, fruit juices, and cereals. So, I have given 3 benefits of eating healthy food. Is it clear? So, 3 harms of eating junk food and 3 benefits of eating healthy food. Dear friend, eating right and exercising regularly can help you avoid excess weight gain and maintain a healthy weight. Now we come to the conclusion. What is the conclusion? The conclusion is that whatever we have written, we summarize it in 1 or 2 points. Okay. Thus, to conclude, I would like to say that unhealthy habits are hard to break. But once you adopt a healthier lifestyle, you won't regret this decision. Healthy habits reduce the risk of certain diseases, improve your physical appearance and mental health, and give your energy level a much needed boost. You can't change your mindset and behavior overnight, so be patient and take it one day at a time. So here we conclude, we summarize the entire entire letter that we have written, the advices that we have given to our friend. Now, finally, we end the letter. Bidding you goodbye as of now. Give my regards to uncle and aunt. Hope to see you soon. Yours lovingly, Pooja. Again, hope to see you soon, full stop. Yours lovingly, comma, then Pooja, full stop. Children, be very careful about the punctuation marks in the letter, children. Okay? You can score really good marks if you are very careful about the punctuation mark. Thank you, children.